asking me, you need help for your Shopee shop. This is a Shopee seller, obviously. He's asking me which program should he take. Now, I'm going to bring you back into my courses. All you need to do is go to tribeupacademy.com/courses. There are several courses that you can consider, but if you're selling on Shopee, I would say straight away go for this Facebook ads for Shopee store. This is a course that has been attended by more than 1,000 people from all around the world. If you sell on Shopee, this is really something that you learn. Whether you have CPass access or you don't have CPass access, I have a strategy that can help you really get that. That's where you can actually start running ads effectively and meaningfully to drive people to your Shopee store, and to a certain extent, you are able to do your tracking and retargeting. But if you want to learn something more comprehensive, you can actually consider joining the 6-day challenge. Now, this is something that I used to run 6 days live training kind of thing. It's really exhausting. But anyway, I've been doing it for about 6 months. So now we have turned it into an evergreen recording. So all you need to do is once you sign up, you have lifetime access to these 6 lessons, altogether about 6 hours plus in training to learn step by step. So this is go beyond. We talk about every single objectives and how they work, and what are the ads creation or ads design or copywriting do's and don'ts, and how do we actually find the audience targeting, and how do we set up the ads using my 2-step funnel framework and all these kind of things. It's a very comprehensive Facebook ads training that everybody should go through, I believe. So this also has been gone through by more than 1,005 people from all around the world. It's a very meaningful training that will give you really a jump start if you are totally new to Facebook ads. So that's the training that I want you to go through. So either one, all right? So these are the few that we can actually look at. But of course, there are some other courses like, Analytics Masterclass is also something very useful. This is really to help you understand what are the metrics available and what are the things that we should be analyzing, and a few other courses. Feel free to explore and see which one works better for you. So yeah, but Shopee, either it's Shopee course or 6-day challenge.